It is day 3. We are looking to put on a few good trades and then walk away. We told Greg and Alex today we're going to try to just put a few trades on, kind of go back over them later on. We're not trying to just trade every little movement. We're trying to wait, be patient, look for the opportunities, and make some money here live at the BDH. So let's get into it, baby. Day 3, let's go.
So day 3 here, starting to notice the trends of what I'm doing wrong. Biggest thing, honestly, just not staying in the trades long enough. PW is really starting to help me visualize that bear and bull flag. I'm starting to realize now it maybe takes 10-15 minutes for that consolidation phase. So we're gonna try a little bit of a different, some subtle tweaks today, and I think we're gonna kill it. Can't wait.
We got a lot to look forward to today. Day 2, I took a big loss. I blew a eval account. So day 3, we're gonna try not to do that. There's a couple things I have to work on. I gotta work on cutting losses. Every trade I take, I'm really gonna ask Patrick what he thinks about it. I mean, he gives great insight, but I also gotta be patient and not just hop in trades. I will literally just hop in and just be in the chop and just get completely chopped up, which is exactly what I did yesterday. We're gonna make some money today, and we're gonna get a payout at the end of these 2 weeks.
The fact that we're above the VWAP, we don't want to just get short right into that VWAP because, well, if we believe the VWAP is important, then there's a chance we kind of bounce there. But what we'd love to see is basically get through the VWAP, push back up, and then we're looking for maybe a bear flag like down in this area. This candle needs to go, or I'm going to move, stop to break even. There we go. Yeah, perfect. I mean, the reason for that long, really, at the end of the day, is the fact that we broke through this little high right here. All right, we took out that overnight high.
It's going low.
Yeah, so now it's like I'm definitely not looking for a long. I think a good confirmation would be like if we dip down back into the 190s and then we start to break out again.
1,000 in profit over the last 2 days with GW.
$1,400, almost $3,000 there, 2 accounts. If we get up through this shoulder and then we pull back, turn that 225 area in support, then we can look for those longs. Green on the day?
No, not yet. We'll only do 2 trades.
How'd you lose 260 on the first trade?
I was doing 4 contracts, but
What'd you do on the next trade? You traded 4 on the first one, you got stopped out, and then you took 5 on the second one.
and it just wasn't as long.
It's going a lot better than yesterday went. I'm a lot more patient. We're up today. We took 2 trades on the account. One was red. You know, we got out when we said we were gonna get out. We didn't extend the stop loss. And on the second trade, we came back. Now we're up $100. So we're gonna continue to keep this streak going today and walk away the day green.
We got to pull the trigger here, like now. Nice little bull flag set up there, nice and easy, 10 points.
In my personal, I was where my mic funded. I got in at like 232 and rode it to 259.
Down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but why'd you get long?
That candle that was going up.
Sure.
It ended up working out.
Yeah, yeah, but remember we talked about earlier, not trading on just because? Getting long at 230, you're just basically praying and hoping that it bounces off the opening range high. I like to trade with the idea of like, hey, I'm gonna basically risk 10 points, and then my next trade, I'm gonna make 10 points. You know, if I lose 1 trade, and then I have 3 trades where I make 10 points, I'm back to break even, I'm in the green, and then I'm in the green again. The candle has to make a new high to go higher. The odds of you being able to pick the bottom perfectly,
Yeah.
it's almost like 0.
And then again,
But the odds of you getting into a trade when it's pushing back up above the previous candle high and pushing higher, now we're getting to that 55, 60%. BBC, baby. Big boner candles. Come on, NASDAQ, just go up so that way Greg can be green. He's got goats to pay for. All right, NASDAQ looking really good. I got 1 runner. I'm moving it to the 285s now. Come on, chat. All right, we're locking it in there. Are you green on the day?
yeah, $76.
Fuck yes! Woo! We are doing it finally.
I mean, so, and more importantly, I've taken only 4 trades today.
That is actually amazing.
I'm at an 89.47% profitable trade today.
We'll see that first trade in the morning. Look at that trade right there. Why would your 45 not be like this, my friend? So the same way that you're entering on the 45, if the 45 happens to you, that's your stop.
Breaks, that's where you gotta get at.
That's where you got to get out. So if you would have gotten out here, you'd be up $200 on the day.
Yeah.
I mean, everything else looks good. This one, I mean, there you fucking might have got a little higher on it, but it was honestly kind of a tricky day for these little breakouts.
This is the only one I'm not proud of.
If you're looking at this and like you took profit here, you know what I mean? Like, and then it's like, you really, you know.
Yeah, we missed the move, so don't double down.
Hey, you got it, you got it. It's all good. We went from fucking Monday being red, Tuesday being red, and then today being green. So
let's make 200.
progress. It's up $345. I like that entry. Yeah, I mean, kind of the same. We all kind of just had the little too wide there, huh? We probably should have gotten out a lot sooner on that short this morning, to be honest. It was not, I mean, you got long there. 45 points?
Let's go.
Thanks.
45 points for Alex. All right, so we got a new vehicle here, a new vehicle. Woo! So on the day right now, we're up $3,000 in two of these, well, $6,000 in two of the funding ticks. We've had a lot better day today.
That was good.
It was a good day. I think you're gonna leave with some type of
I think we're getting a solid, solid grab.
I've learned just one thing even today. You know, if it's going down, not to just buy at a
look at that.
Yeah.
specific spot. Wait for that candle to go. Give you some confirmation. I mean, I didn't even think about that before.
If the market's gonna go higher, what has to happen?
Eat a higher low.
Well, but the candle has to like break the previous candle high. So it's like if the market's moving down and it's not breaking the previous candle high, like, okay, well, just wait for that to happen.
Right.
Was a good shout out too to PW's course. The $199 course is phenomenal. It's really, really good. Not even fluffing it up. Very, very good.
I'm up 350 in my funding ticks account, which is the eval, and I'm up 523 in my funded futures, and that's my funded account. So I need 2 more days of profitability to get a payout. So I gotta be super disciplined.
I'm up 76 today. But the thing I'm most proud of is, again, my profitable trades, 89.47% on profitability.
When I got the news that I was coming here, I was in shock. So it's awesome. The place is awesome, and he's given us, you know, all the knowledge. I'm super grateful.
Hell yeah. Great opportunity.
All right, there it is. We're walking away green on the day. Greg's green, I'm green, Alex is green.
That was a wrap up of day 3, 100 times better. I actually was profitable in both accounts. I think I had one losing trade, and the stop loss, I kept it where it was supposed to be, so I didn't over leverage. I held my stops. We're up, I think, about 350 in the eval account. In my funded account for my funded futures, I'm up about 520. We walked away on the day green, so I'm looking forward to day 4.
So end of day 3, much more proud of my results today versus the last 2. Red the first day, just slightly red yesterday. We're finally in the green today, up 76. Honestly, the thing I'm most proud of though is I only took 4 trades today. I really waited to see the bull flag or bear flag play out. I waited for the consolidation like I was hoping for this morning. We actually had an 89% win rate today too. So we're trending upward. That's the right direction. We're just gonna keep it going, keep smiling.
All right, day 3, a lot better than day 1, day 2. I think we're making progress. Today we had a good market. We had one losing trade, and then the rest was winning, winning, winning. You just gotta be patient. I'm trying to really get the guys focused on waiting for those good setups, waiting for stuff that looks A++. We don't want to just take trades on every little move in the market. We want to wait for the right opportunity to get in, to get out, and lock in that profit. So we did exactly that today, and I feel pretty good about it. We're making progress, and that's all we can do, right? Greg and Alex are both kind of in their own little bubbles of trading knowledge and trying to get them both kind of seeing the market how I see it. Waiting for those setups where you're like, hey, this is a good bull flag. It's all there. We're looking for little clues to why the market might go higher or why it might go lower. There it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll talk to you all later on. Peace to the Middle East.